Hello and welcome to my craft studio today. So I thought I would show you a little bit of one of the cards that I've done for the launch today in a little bit more detail and explain what I've used on it. So this is the Bokeh Christmas mini card making kit which launched today. I'll pop the details in the comments below. So you get your topper sheet and you also get 3 different background designs. So I've just cut out the smaller of the toppers, which is this one, wishing you a Merry Christmas. I've added a little bit of stickles. Now it's still wet, so I need to be careful, but that will actually dry flat. It's quite raised at the moment, but that'll just add a little bit of glitter on top of the sentiment, just for a bit of difference. So I have made a Z fold card. The background I've used is the beautiful muted poinsettia background, which is included in the kit. Some lippy dies for a matte layer for the topper and the insert. I've done the inside panel using the same paper, and then this beautiful building paper is from Creative Expressions, so I've used that. I've also got little glue sticks. The poinsettias are also included on the sheet, so this is the poinsettia with the holly, and then I've just added some of our print cut and form foliage watercolour leaves as well, just to build in and around to make a little Christmas corsage. So used some little gold beads on the stems, some little foliage dies, and I've cut those out onto the gold mirror card just to add a little bit of bling. And then I've used some of the rock crystal embellishments, the adhesive gem strips from Hobby Lobby, but you can use whatever you've got in your stash. I've used some beautiful little dazzlers for the corners, just to add a little bit more detail. The Z fold card, if you're new to Z fold cards and you want a full step-by-step, there is a video in my YouTube. It's quite an old one, but it's very, very basic to show you how to get the actual Z fold shape. Being careful because it is wet. It is basically just your 8x8 pre-scored white carte blanche, and then all you do is flip over, fold and score your front panel, and then that creates your Z fold to open up, and then you can just decorate all the elements. So I hope you've liked this little video, and I really hope you like all of our new Christmas designs we have for you this week. So take care, and if you've got any questions, pop them in the comments below. Thank you, bye bye.